Okay, so you guys did a great job on the examples for strike and dip. Now we want to look at our map and find a couple of examples and do those. So if I could have the camera come over to, let's do Kylie's map. And we are going to try and determine what the strike and dip is of this symbol here, which can be found almost dead center in the lower portion of Kylie's map. And then we're also going to do, which one did you do up there? Which is where?
Right in between, right here.
Right there. So can I see that real quick? So we've got this strike and dip symbol, and we've got this strike and dip symbol. All right, so Kylie, can you go ahead and tell me and walk through what the strike and dip of that symbol is?
So the strike is going to be north about 65 degrees east, and then the dip goes down 18 degrees southeast.
Correct. Very good. And what about yours?
So mine is going to be probably closer to like 8 degrees. So north, 8 degrees west.
Good.
And then the dip is going to be 7 degrees northeast.
Good, very good. Okay, the last thing that I want to talk about strike and dip is we've only mentioned strike and dip on beds, but any planar surface, including this notepad, has a strike and dip, and that includes fault surfaces. So faults are structural features where rocks have broken, right, like that, and because there's a break, then that break has a planar surface. So that break has a strike and dip associated with it as well. It's a little more difficult to find sometimes because it isn't displayed by a bedding surface. So sometimes you have to find the, sometimes you have to do that in another manner. But also sometimes that strike is displayed on the map. So the dip would then be displayed on the map, but the strike is going to be the line of the fault as it intersects with the surface. So whatever the strike of this particular line would be, could I have the camera over here real quick? For example, this fault right here, right, is striking at north about 45 degrees to the east. And we would have to do a little bit of structural work to find out what the depth is, to find out what the dip is. But just want you guys to realize that this structural feature of a fault has a strike and dip associated with it as well. Okay. We're going to come back and do a little wrap up, and then